Welcome to Brain Train, a series I created to teach you how different parts of your brain actually work, because knowing the science is a key component to healing. So I'm Maddie, by the way. If you're new here, say hi in the comments because I love meeting all my new friends. Today we are talking about the thalamus. The actual function of the thalamus is to be your brain's relay station. Now, every piece of data coming in from all of your senses has to pass through this switchboard, if you will, and it gets routed to the correct part of your brain that it needs to go to. And in a typical brain, this part of the brain, the thalamus, is actually a pro. Okay, it sends the message once, closes that gate, and moves on to the next one. But in a brain with OCD, the thalamus becomes what we call a dis-inhibited node, and that's just my fancy way of saying that the wires are crossed somewhere. And instead of closing out that gate, it actually gets stuck on redial, and it keeps sending the same redundant alarm signals and doing it over and over again. Now, that is usually going to show up in your mental health struggles as loops of doubt, when you're stuck in doubt. Now, if you are stuck in doubt, blame the thalamus. But the best part is neuroscience proves that we can rewire our brains at any age. We can build new neural pathways that teach that switchboard how to shut the gate again. And when you understand that it's a malfunction in the hardware, it makes healing so much easier. If your wiring feels just a little bit crossed today, just remember that your brain is having a hardware malfunction, which is great news for you, because when a hardware does malfunction, all you have to do is call the repairman to come and fix it, and I am teaching you how to DIY that shit yourself. So if you want to follow along for more, definitely subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell right over here so that you can get notified and learn about all the parts of the brain in this series. And comment "wired it" down below so that I know you're rewiring your brain with me, and I know you watched this all the way through, so you got your lesson in. I love you. Have the best day. See you tomorrow.